second step is to remove this cover. Now for that is we have to remove this bolt over here and this bolt over here, and that requires a 10mm socket, which is what we have. Okay, so let's put it in the tool, the screwdriver here. Okay, be careful we don't lose the washers and the bolts, okay, when we remove them, because okay, that's one, and the second one here. All right, careful with the washer. Okay, second one out. Now we can remove, we have to apply some pressure. All right, because as you can see, this cover has 3 plastic knobs that go here, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so this is removed.